You ever notice that your printer is just printing in a sporadic fashion? Can't really read what it says. It looks like it's running low on ink. Well, there's a chance I can save you a few bucks. My name is James, Computer Hardware Training Coordinator for Interconnection, and I can show you how to clean clogged inkjet heads. The first step in cleaning your print cartridge, if you're using a Windows machine, is you go to Start, you go to Control Panel. If you have printers and faxes, you can go here as well, but for our purposes, I'll show you how to do it through Control Panel. From Control Panel, you go to Printers and Faxes, you double-click it. Now, once you're in Printers and Faxes, you find the trouble printer. In our case, it's our HP DeskJet. You right-click it, you go to Properties, you go to Services. Right here, you're going to see Align the print cartridges or Clean the print cartridges. Since our print cartridge is a little dirty, we want to select Clean the print cartridges, and then it's going to prompt you through here. From here, you merely hit Clean, and it's going to clean that print cartridge for you. Now, as the next dialog box is going to show you, if that did not properly clean your inkjet printer, what you're going to want to do now is hit Prime. Now, you want to use this sparingly, as if it did clean your printer, this is going to use a lot of your ink. Well, I hope that cleaned your inkjet printer cartridge out. My name is James, Computer Hardware Training Coordinator for Interconnection.